What I believe is going on here is that the United States is trying to impose a form of martial law on the entire world. They are not prosecuting the international law of war. They are prosecuting a post hoc, made up, untested, domestic military law. And what they're essentially saying is, it's illegal to fight the United States. It's the deer hunter theory of the law of war. Omar Khadr was basically a deer. We can fight against him, but he can't fight against us. We are permitted to throw hand grenades, but he's not permitted. We're permitted to use unlawful combatants, but he's not allowed to be an unlawful combatant because we say so. And I would suggest that there's no reason why the international community should accept that. The ultimate question for you, I believe, is this. And it's the one I started with, and that is, if this isn't acceptable for a US citizen, why should it be acceptable for a Canadian citizen? And it's not whether you're mad at Omar Khadr, or you think he did something bad, or you don't like his family. The real question is, what if it was your son, or your husband, or your father? Would you be comfortable that they were receiving a fair trial and a fair criminal justice system at Guantanamo Bay under this sort of a process? And if the answer to that is no, then why is it fair for Omar Khadr? And I'll just close with this quote. Francis Lieber was one of the great intellectuals of the 19th century. He's the father of the law of war. He drafted the first written code of the law of war during the American Civil War. This is a quote the government doesn't usually use, however. Nations frequently rush into the arms of despotism for the avowed reason of finding security against anarchy. Liberty requires that everyone should be judged by his common court. All despots insist on extraordinary courts, courts of commission, and an easy application of martial law.